If you're seeing a Google Drive error list or your files just won't upload or sync properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. We'll look at what the error list means, how to check which files failed, and how to resolve the most common causes without wasting time guessing. This is a simple guide for anyone who wants to get Google Drive working again fast. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive and look for the error list or the View Details option. This is the quickest way to see exactly which files are causing the problem. Once you click it, Google Drive should show you a list of the failed files and sometimes even give you a reason why they didn't upload or sync correctly. Pay close attention here, because identifying the exact file is the first step to fixing the issue, instead of trying random solutions. Now, if the error list is showing multiple failed uploads, the next thing you should check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Google Drive throws errors. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, try loading another website, and if needed, restart your router. If you're on mobile data, switch to a stronger connection and try the upload again. Sometimes the problem isn't Google Drive at all, it's just the connection dropping during upload. Next, let's clear your browser cache and cookies, because old data in your browser can definitely interfere with Google Drive. If you're using Google Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Images and Files, then clear them. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying Google Drive again. This simple step often fixes strange upload errors, loading issues, and sync problems that seem random at first. If the error list is still there, take a look at the file names themselves. Google Drive can have trouble with certain characters in file names, especially special symbols like angle brackets, colons, quotation marks, slashes, backslashes, vertical bars, question marks, and asterisks. If one of your files has a name that includes any of those characters, rename it to something cleaner and simpler. For example, instead of using a long file name with symbols, keep it short, clear, and easy for Drive to process. Another thing you need to check is your Google Drive storage space. If your account is full, uploads may fail repeatedly, and the error list may keep appearing no matter how many times you try. Go to your Google account storage page and see how much space you have left. If you're out of storage, delete old files you no longer need, or upgrade your plan if necessary. This is a very common issue, especially if you use Drive for photos, videos, documents, or backups. If none of that works, try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a private window, then sign in again and test the upload or sync. Incognito Mode helps you bypass extensions, cache data, and browser settings that might be interfering with Drive. If Google Drive works in Incognito, that usually means a browser extension or a local browser setting is causing the problem. At this point, if the error list is still there, it's a good idea to refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, or try another browser entirely. Sometimes Chrome works best, but other times the issue might be tied to a specific browser profile. You can also try restarting your computer or device, because that can clear temporary glitches affecting sync and upload performance. So to recap, when you see a Google Drive error list, start by checking the failed files, then verify your internet connection, clear browser cache and cookies, rename any problematic files, check your storage, and try Incognito Mode if needed. These steps solve most Google Drive upload and sync errors very quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.